We are at 8625 Riker Street, Landover, Maryland. We are going to be doing a replacement of shingles. Found several here on this slope that are bad. This is going to be the one that we're going to remove to replace. Let's see. This one's loose. There's the tab. So the shingle that is under yellow is the one that we're going to be removing. So in order to get it out, usually there are shit nails down through two different ones that we have to remove. So we will have to manipulate the two shingles above. We're looking at that one. These up here, back into that middle. Does look like there is a little bit of starting on that one, but these shingles are, as you can see, aren't in the greatest shape anyways. Okay, let me get back here. Hold it right there. Just want to show for reference, this here is a 45-degree angle, and as you can see, the shingle is well below 45 degrees. Hold it where he's got it lifted, and that is approximately 2.5 inches. According to most suggestions, you're not supposed to lift it over 45 degrees. You're good. Go ahead. In order to take the shingle out, so we're less than 45 degrees. Ouch. Hot. Okay, we did notice when we were coming up that there is, don't lift it too much, 2 layers of shingles on this. You can see the other layer here underneath of this by rights, and it also, you can see all of this here loose material that's coming from, plus you can see where it's granular displacement already just by lifting these shingles. Hold on a second. But all of this loose material here, that is coming from the layer of shingles underneath where they're kind of in really bad shape, deteriorated by rights. Kind of makes this a non-nailable surface and should not even be doing a repair on this. Couldn't find an exact match. This is similar but not an exact match to the existing shingles. The existing's a little bit lighter brown. All right, got the shingle replaced. Look above, see some granular displacement, creasing. See it there, see it there. Yep, you see it up here on this one. A little bit right there. And you see it again there too. Yep, a little bit up here. This one also some on it. Because of the granular displacement, creasing on this, those shingles with the loss of the granules, the fiberglass, the matting underneath is now going to be exposed to the direct sunlight, which is going to increase the deterioration of that shingle, making it to where it's not viable to actually be left in place, and they should be replaced as well to be doing this correctly. Along with the fact that it does have 2 layers of shingles on this. Would mark this as a fail, asking for it to be replaced.